A zombie cicada riddled with the powder-like spores of a fungus called Massospora. This fungal body snatcher eats its victims from the inside, while flooding their brains with mind-controlling chemicals that compel them to mingle. Males even mimic the seductive flicks of females to entice others to mate. And so, the contagion spreads. The fungus keeps its victims alive so they infect as many other cicadas as possible and spread its spores far and wide. Finally, 14 days later, the zombie cicadas die. The spores, however, will lie in wait for 17 years, ready to infiltrate the next generation of unlucky cicadas. But with millions mating, and with each female laying 400 eggs into the tree's bark, such mind-boggling strength in numbers ensures periodical cicadas are always able to multiply.